Stacy. We're back with Bronson and everybody at home. This is one of the puppies. This is Bronson. Remember Bronson? Oh, he is a beauty, this one. Anyway, these are 5 months old, and we're just going to introduce him to the collar. This dog is naive to the collar. I've got that sound box thing on there, Stacy, so you're going to hear the buzzing when I'm doing the pager. I've got my nick set on 0, which is generally going to be, you know, with a younger dog especially, you're going to have your nick set on 0. So what we want to do is teach the dog the subtask of I don't want the leash made tight. And it's very, very important at this initial stage that we remain unemotional and indifferent. I'm not going to sit there and go, come on, come on, come on, and try to communicate with verbally. I'm going to communicate with my actions. So try to restrain the dog. I'm going to let him go to the end of the leash. Sorry, wardrobe malfunction. And when he turns around, I'm just going to be going the other way. The subtask of heel is always going to be I don't want the leash made tight. So when the leash is tight, you'll be able to feel the pager yourself through there. Keep my hands in close to my body. I'm kind of sensing when I'm going to have both hands on there. Don't want to constantly be looking at the dog. See, you're already starting to shape that behavior. Already got his attention much better. Using a 6-foot lightweight leash. Not a 4-foot leash. I'm sure I've told you guys this before, but I used to have this guy that custom made these 8-foot leashes. Those were nice. I can't tell you where they're at now, but all right, we'll be right back with the off-leash recall.